Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my magic show. Everyone in this world believes that they have a superpower. Of course, I'm a white magician. I must have a superpower. But I'm not use a magic spell. I use a magic trick. Magic spell with magic trick have a different way. If magic spell, you just set some spell and that have a magic. But if you use magic trick, you use your brain to make a magic. Of course, magic trick can make everyone who watches it feel happy. Today, I will show you a magic trick how to make a lightning from them. Okay, so everybody, watch this. Can you see it? This is a lightning magic trick. How I out lightning from my hand. Or do you want what it can? Okay, I will show you again and more powerful. Okay, this is my magic show today. How I make a lightning from my hand. Thanks for watching. Bye.